We finna take off like a mother spaceship. Watch it. Oh, that one got wild. That one got wild. I definitely almost lost that one. It's good, YouTube, back with another video. Just washed the car. This is gonna be overview on the DR700 kit. What can you expect from it? And the reliability of it and how everything's holding up. The DR700 kit is, to me, one of the best kits that hit the market in a while. The price, the reliability, as far as heat management, the car has been super, super good. House of Power did the install down in LA, and phenomenal job. The car has been super reliable. No complaints. Show you guys under the engine bay. DR700 kit. It's been super reliable. Got the Snow Performance methanol injection system. Can't go wrong. M54. Definitely can't go wrong, especially with this new kit that just hit the market, DR700. What a car. What a car. More videos are coming from this. Definitely stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell, that subscribe button. Definitely hit a thumbs up on this video if you guys like this kind of content. I'm definitely gonna do my best to make more content like this. But this is gonna be overview on the DR700 kit. The car has been super reliable. If you're thinking about getting DR700 kit, if you're on the fence, definitely go that route if you're not, all in on the top mount kit. And if you're looking for a shop to do the work down in LA area or Northern California or Southern California, definitely go to House of Power. They did the install, did a phenomenal job. I talked to Tiago. If you're looking to get any work done, he's the man to talk to. Definitely stay tuned. More content to come. I'm gonna do a little bit of driving. It's making 500 right now to the wheels. 500 horsepower and 500 torque. The car's been great. Definitely a great car. Can't go wrong with the 335 M54 platform. So I have the IS, so this does have the M3 transmission. Honestly, I wasn't I'm not a big fan on automatics, but you can't go wrong with the dual clutch. The dual clutch is amazing. This car is amazing. Definitely stay tuned. I got a lot of big things planned for this car. That's where you can get updates at. There we go. Can't go wrong with single turbo. Them twins won't do that to you. Twins won't do that. Watch this takeoff real quick. We finna take off like a mother spaceship. Watch it. Watch it, watch it. Oh. Waiting for the car to pass. Spin. Now we gotta let her cool down for a little bit. A little hot boy out here. We chill, we chill, we chill. We chill. I still got to do the XHP Stage 3 flash, so it's not shifting as fast as it could. It could shift a little faster. But that's next. We're still a work in progress. So I still got that to do. I still have to still flash the transmission, and I still need to do exhaust. Right now, the dump is recirculating, so right now it's kind of quiet, obviously at full throttle. We're gonna do that soon. I'm talking to Doc right now about getting those pieces shipped out. And then once we get those, the open dump, and we get our exhaust fully set up, I want to do a 3.5 inch all the way back, or at least a 3 inch with a resonator. So that's coming too. That's coming soon. Definitely stay tuned. More content on this car. This is the DR700. It's a 6266 precision turbo bottom mount kit. Sheesh. I'm telling you, man, this car is fun. Can't go wrong. Got the dual clutch. With the single turbo, man, this car is like, it's meant to have a single turbo. If you have a dual clutch car, if you have that 335 IS, it's really meant to have a single turbo. Like the car, honestly, I haven't even got the transmission flash, but once I know when I get that transmission flash, it's gonna be a totally different car. It already is right now, obviously with the single setup, but right now it's crazy. Right now it's crazy. So, well, we can do one more pull though. Do one more pull. Got a stop sign. Hold on. Oh, that one got wild. That one got wild. That one got wild. I almost lost that one. I definitely almost lost that one. Sheesh. I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna chill out for right now. I'm gonna chill out.